Greetings, greetings, greetings. I wonder if you are one of Jesus' brother or sister them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Luke chapter 8 from verse 19 to verse 21. Jesus' mother and brother them come to see him. But sake of the crowd, them couldn't get near him. So somebody tell Jesus, say, your mother and brother them turn up out a door and wait for you. Jesus said to the crowd, say, for me mother and brother, anybody will hear God's word and do what he said them to do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.